from $4 to $24, 8x. COSM is a monster that keeps going up and down like there's no tomorrow. If it was a wave, the COSM would be a tsunami. If you do not heed this video, it's highly likely that you will lose everything on COSM, and that's the last thing I want if you're watching this channel. So pay attention. Hey guys, it is John Coda, your day trading coach, here to comment on the COSM situation. Can we expect another rally? You will know by the end of this video. As we spoke about in a previous video, COSM did exactly what we thought it would, meaning it came right here to about $4, which pre-split would be about 15 cents. We talked about 15 cents as the buying price, meaning that $4 is exactly the 15-cent buying price we were looking at. If we'd picked the stock up there, we would have 8x'd our money. That's right. We would have 8x'd our money on COSM if we followed the trade plan. And that's exactly what some students did. That's exactly what I want you to do. I want you to be able to 8x your money in one day. We also said that COSM would not go to $1, and it didn't. Post-split, COSM, in order to go to $1, would have to go to $25. $23.84 is just shy of $25, and we did talk about selling before the dollar level is hit. So if you follow the advice on this channel, you were able to 8x your money in one day. But what I want you to do now is consider where COSM is now. Where can we expect COSM to go? We already had a huge rally. We had a short squeeze, so to speak, but short started shorting. They started taking up their short positions again near the top of this range, and at the same time individuals started to take profit. Also important to note is that retail traders are not the only ones who trade in the after hours market. In fact, a lot of professional traders trade in the after hours market, and they take advantage of the fact that after hours stop losses are not triggered as much. And so what they do is they move the market after hours in order to change the way that stop losses are affected and in order to shift the price itself. So right now, after the rally to $23.84, COSM is at about $7.06. $7.06 is actually lower than the previous day close. So the previous day close was at about 33 cents. So post split, right? Post reverse split, $7.06. It's not quite where it would be. In order for this COSM stock to be where it was at the previous day close, it would have to be at about $8.35. So right now, anyone who bought COSM at yesterday's close, who held, is technically at a loss. They're at a loss of about 7 to 10%. And of course, anyone that bought in COSM at the $20 level, $23 level, they're at an even worse loss, unfortunately. And if they're ever going to get their money back, they have to have a retest of the $1 level for COSM, which is now $25. However, is that possible? Or more importantly, is that likely? We talked about playing probabilities. Every single day, me and my students play probabilities. We find out what's most likely, what the market is most likely to do, and then we act on that information. If we follow the probabilities, then we can grow our trading accounts over time. We talked about how we can grow $1,000 into $1 million just by playing the probabilities and getting a consistent 3% increase every trading day. And if we do that with COSM, we are looking at investing around this current level. Does that mean that we should buy in without confirmation? Absolutely not. However, if COSM holds $7, and this is the key, if COSM holds $7, then it would be opportune to sell COSM at about $7.85 to $8.50. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking, no, that's not enough. $7.50 to $8.50, that's nothing. That's such a small profit margin. Yes, but again, We are going for what is most likely to happen. And a $7.50 stock going to $8.50 offers about 12 to 14% increase on your money. That's huge. If you can get a 12 to 14 increase on your money, then you will have 4x your goal for the day in order to turn $1,000 into $1 million in under a year. How proud of yourself should you be if you're able to accomplish that? That's what I want for you. I want you to be able to look at your day job and say, this is no longer for me because I can make my money in 1 hour a day and never have to work a day job again. I can use the probabilities in order to trade stocks and derive a full-time income. I can have true financial freedom. And I do that through analysis, through playing the probabilities, through doing what's likely, not what I want to happen. By looking at what's actually there, that's how I'm going to win. That's how I'm going to be financially free. That's how I'm going to be set in life. And that's what I want for every single stock trader who watches this channel. But if you are going to hold for a secondary profit target, you can always sell half your position here. And the next likely profit target is about here at 943 to 950. I don't expect COSM to cross $10. I do not expect COSM to cross $10, at least not tomorrow. However, if it happens and you don't sell all of your position here, then I have one more profit target for you, and that is at $11.27. This does not mean that COSM will not go up past these points. This means that COSM is most likely to go to the profit targets that you just got in this video. And if you are serious about making a living in the stock market and you aren't just doing this for fun, then you will listen to these profit targets and you will follow them, because this is what will make you consistent money in the market. This is how me and my students made $500 in 17 minutes last Friday. This is how my mentorship students start turning their accounts around and stop losing money. So if you're not in our free community, please join in the link below and have an amazing day. Trade COSM as you would a professional trader. See you guys in the next video. You know, I'm all about making you money in the stock market. And if you're trading COSM, that means you want to make money. If you want to make money, I do have 3 other stocks that you should watch. 3 other stocks besides COSM that may be more safe and even have a better upside than COSM and put less capital at risk. I'm going to share those stocks with you right now as a bonus. These stocks are NH, BYSI, and GOTU. These are 3 stocks that I'm looking at. I'm going to trade them with my pro students tomorrow on Monday, December 19th. These are stocks which can profit and rocket and absolutely kill it in the stock market tomorrow. I've analyzed all the stocks in the stock market, and these are the strongest and most likely candidates. Guys, if you want to profit in the stock market, then please join the free community so you can meet with like-minded trainers and learn how to trade professionally. Guys, I can't say that enough. If you learn how to trade professionally, you will never worry about money again. I wish you nothing but the best of luck in your trading session tomorrow. Watch the market. The market's being weak. I talked about shorting the market about a week ago, and indeed the market had one of the nastiest pullbacks it's ever had. So if you're trading something, especially a stock that's not a penny stock that bucks the trend of the market, then watch your back, and I got your back. Just so it's 100% crystal clear to everyone, we don't know what price COSM will open up tomorrow. What we do know is that COSM is at a core level of support right now. It's at the volume weighted average price, and the ideal buying price is right here between $7 and $7.06. The selling price is at $7.85. That's where I'll be selling shares, and at $8.83. So we have a buy-in price right here of around $7 if the stock opens up around where it is right now. And we have a sell price of around $7.83 and $8.83. We don't want to hold COSM past $10 if we want to take a high probability trade. However, you're free to do as you like. And if COSM breaks $10, the next stop is $11.27. The one thing I don't want anyone to do is hope and pray that COSM goes back to $24. If anybody does that, I can guarantee you there is going to be a ton of bag holders, people who have lost everything on COSM and the stock market, and they are just done with stocks, or even if they don't want to be done with stocks, they have to be done with stocks because of this fatal mistake they made of putting all of their eggs in one basket, and a basket that isn't very nice to begin with. This is a hostile basket. COSM is a war ground. And if you're going to trade it, then you should have at least a professional trading team covering your six, making sure you're able to get in and out at the right time. Guys, COSM is a dangerous monster, and I don't want anyone to be left on the backside of this trade. If you watch this channel, if you watch this video, then you'll know that this is a volatile stock, and it's highly likely that if you do not trade it carefully using the profit targets on this channel, on this video, then you will be left holding a bag for a long time. So please heed this warning and absolutely kill it in the stock market tomorrow. This is John Cody, your day trading coach. See you in the next video.